Hello friends, my name's Teresa Louise. Thanks for stopping in. And today I thought I would share my Creative Notions monthly subscription package with you. And yeah, I got it. I'm just late getting it posted. So full disclosure here, I have already opened this. And I tried filming this once before and I got really confused about what was going on in the package. So I thought, that's not going to work and I can't edit that out. So I'm just doing it over again. So I will not be surprised with you in this video. Sorry about that. But you may have already seen this already. I'm sure there's people out there who have gotten it posted before me because I was gone for a little while. Yeah, lots of stuff in the bag. All right, let's get it out of there. Oh, nice pretty blue bag this month. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's see what we got. I know, I probably should have just left it all out, but I like to show you from inside the bag there. Alright, so the first thing we got was a bundle of fabric, fat quarters, and Seeds of Gratitude by Susan Winget. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Winget for Wyndham Fabrics, and the value of this bundle is $25. And we'll look at this fabric at the end, so don't go away. The next thing is also she's letting us know that there's a coordinating pheasant panel that's available at the website. But we didn't get that in this bundle. Also, okay, the next thing we have is an Eleanor Burns Flying Geese ruler. Yeah, and I did open that a couple of times. There you go. I'm pretty sure I don't have this size. I have the next size up. So this is great. 3x6 finish on this side, and then if you turn it the other way, you get 1.5 by 3. So that's good. $11.95 value on that one. The next thing is a Welcome Fall adhesive words. So Welcome Fall. It's vinyl adhesive. It's probably from, yeah, Sugar and Spice. And this is a no iron vinyl. And you don't have to sew it either unless you want to. So, very nice. And again, there she goes. Willa, leave it. Just kidding. But she does that every time, doesn't she? You'd think I would learn to go around and pick the bones up before I start a video. Okay. So that Welcome Fall adhesive was $10 value. Fabric stickers with a pin. The glue on these won't leave a residue on your fabric. So that's what this is. So, you know, when you're cutting your fabric and you have all your little squares or triangles or whatever, you can peel this off and stick it right on the fabric and put like A, B, whatever on there. So there's 100 in the pack. And there's a little black pin there that goes with it. So there's that. Cool. We can try that one of these days. $8. I See Stars seam guide with a free quilt pattern. And that's what this is. And the free quilt pattern is called Waterfalls. You can watch a step-by-step guide on her website right here. But what this does is goes on your sewing machine. Sorry, like that. You line it up with your needle, this pink. And then you can use it as a guide. So, okay, I'm going to try that. Yeah, so that one was $6.99. And then we have a spool of Orfil thread. It's a little spool. And they say $5.69 on that. I didn't think those were that much, but you know, stuff is going up, so could very well be. Okay, so we also got our recipe card for fresh apple cake with caramel sauce. That side. And this is by Joy Wilcock. That looks good. Might have to try that. Sounds good. Okay. There's no charge on that. Then we have quilt patterns. Quilt information. We got 2 patterns this month. This one is information. Not. I'll just show it to you. Okay. And so now you know why we got the ruler, huh? This finishes at 54 by 57. And then Welcome Fall wall hanging, which is 37 by 37. And then this is the one where they've used the vinyl words. So you have a couple of options there. That's nice. And the value of those, the one pattern, this pattern, is $9. The wall hanging pattern is $5. And then you have the Dottie sampler block of the month, which you get 2 blocks every month. And the 2 that is for October will be the economy block. And that's at the 1st of October. And then the next one is called an Old Maids Puzzle. This one comes out at the first week of October, and I will be doing this block for you. I even had my name on there. And the next one, her name is Kristen, and her channel is called, her YouTube channel is called Hand Tossed Crafts. And that'll be the 3rd and 4th weeks of October. So the value of these are $5. Okay, let's take a look at that fabric. Now, as I'm getting this out, there have been a few changes, you know, at Creative Notions. It was $39.95, and that used to, you know, include the shipping, or maybe that they covered the shipping. I don't know how they figured it, but they've just done a box increase or package increase, so it's $47.95 a month, which includes $8 charge for shipping. The other thing that's different that I can see is they're now putting a value on the patterns, whereas before they just gave them to you for free, which, you know, everybody charges you for your pattern. So anyway, I just happened to notice that, and so I thought I'd point that out. That and the Dottie Sampler block of the month, this is the first time that they put a value on that too. So or charged you in your box. All right, so let's look at this fabric. So this is the piece of fabric that they use in the wall hanging. Lots of turkeys. I think this would be good fabric for a guy. I mean, we're always looking for fabrics for guys. Here's a nice blue with turkeys. There's another nice one. Very manly. And a kind of a cream colored turkeys. Pheasants. Pheasants and pumpkins. And then here's a blue. Isn't that interesting? And then here is you could use for the borders. And there's like 2 fat quarters here, or half a yard. I might make this project. I don't know if I'll use those patterns, because I don't think that pattern has this panel in it. Let me look real quick. Nope. So I'll have to figure out that. Yeah, I'll have to do some math. So that's the fabric. What'd you guys think? And what'd you think of the box or package? Yeah. So I like the fabric. I do. I do. I know you're going, I do like the fabric. So then, yeah, I like the thread. I think this is a 40 weight. And yeah, so happy to try that. I'm glad I got that. Yep. And yeah, welcome fall. All right, well, that's it. Oh, we did get a piece of candy too, but I ate it already. It was like a caramel. It was really good. Thanks for stopping by, and until I see you next time, get out there and make something. Let me know what you think of this package down in the comments. Bye for now.